Welcome back to CryptosRus. I'm George. We're all George. So, Bitcoin pumped up above 37,000 today. But not only that, alts are all skyrocketing right now. So, is it time to go degen? Well, that's what I'm going to do today. Starting today, I'm going to start to go degen a little bit with you guys. Have some fun. Also, today is DCA night. So let's do that as well. And let's talk about what's going on with Bitcoin and crypto overall. Let's do this. Welcome, 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 guys. Look at this. Ooh, Bitcoin is sitting at 37.5. Okay. This morning, no, not this morning, this afternoon, it hit almost 38,000. So obviously, what dip? What did we experience yesterday? What was this? Pure manipulation. It was definitely a fake out to drive you guys away. And I told you guys things like that happen in a bull run, and it wasn't really a dip at all. It was nothing. It was a little pothole on the road to greatness. That's how you should look at it. I mean, today Bitcoin is up almost 6%. You got Solana that's still running 16% today at $66. Cardano's running. You got Avalanche running 21%. I tweeted out yesterday. I bought it at 16 to the 20x leverage, and now I'm up like 500%. Not that I advise that, but you know, when you DCA, when you buy the dip, you know, generally speaking, good things happen. And not only that, Caspa up, Chronos up, ICP up, Thorchain up, right? So many things are pumping today. So, you know, I have this new idea, right? That every stream now, I would just be a degen and just throw some leverage just to see where it would end by the end of the stream. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm not going to apply any real technical analysis or anything. There's a lot of trading channels out there. I don't care. I'm just going to go degen mode. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm trying out a new exchange called Bing X. I've been using MEXC before, and I still do, but a lot of people say in the U.S. you can't use MEXC. There's a lot of states that basically shut it down. So Bing X is a new one, no KYC, US people can go in. So I'm going to test it out. And the interface is basically exactly the same. So what do I have in here? I have $3,000. I deposit $3,000 in here. I don't know if you guys could see right there. $3,000. I'm just going to throw a 20x at something right now. And how I'm going to decide is by looking at in the past hour what has pumped up the most. And right now, Avalanche is up 4% within the last hour. Synthetic is up 2%. Celestia, a lot of people have asked about it. You know, Avalanche is just on fire. You know, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pull up Avalanche here. It's up so much already, so it's actually really stupid to kind of degen into Avalanche right now. But looking at this, 1 minute, not looking so good. 5 minutes, not looking good at all. 15 minutes, okay. It's actually kind of stupid to go degen into Avalanche right now. I'm gonna pick something else. I'm just gonna pick something else. Let's look at CRO. A lot of people love CRO. Keep in mind, I'm just running this until the end of this stream. Oh, they don't have CRO. So it's not a long-term thing that I'm doing right now. It's just something that for the stream. So, and I obviously don't want to lose money. How about Solana? Let's just, you know, you can't go wrong with Solana. Let's look at Solana right now. Solana's here. Solana's 5 minute looks okay. 15 minutes doesn't look so good. 1 minute actually looks pretty good. Yeah, what the hell? All right, I'm just going to throw $1,000 and do a 25x leverage right here. All right, I'll just do that. 25x at $1,000. That's equivalent to $25,000. There we go. Did it go through? Did that go through? That didn't go through. There we go. Okay. There we go. Let's see where this goes by the end of the stream. All right. Like I said, I'm just going to be Degen. I'm not even applying a lot of technicals. But we'll see. Just for fun. Just for fun. Just to have some fun here. All right. Moving on. Let's talk about what's going on with Bitcoin and crypto overall. All right. And I'm not putting a short stop loss. We'll see what happens. So why did Bitcoin go up today? Could it be possibly due to the Fed, or people thinking that the Fed is not going to raise rates anymore and start cutting? I've said this too. I think this is a big catalyst in 2024. We will get cuts, okay? Even though this article is indicating that, no, there's not going to be any cuts, there will be. Mid of next year, we will see cuts. Fed Chair Powell said so as much, right? So that's why it's a little bit after a halving event, which is a really, really good thing. So part of the reason why I think a lot of money is flowing back into the space. This next FOMC meeting, basically 0% chance of a rate hike. So those are all great things, okay? And of course, let's not forget, soon, okay, within maybe the next 2 to 6 days, we may get a spot Bitcoin ETF, okay? So that is also coming. So, there's a lot of enthusiasm right now. Like I said, yesterday was just like a blip. It was really a fake out. The market makers or the whales or exchanges driving out leverage like what I just did with you guys. Really to push everyone out, or as much people as they can, while they load up and getting ready for this, right? If we get a spot Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin is going to pump like no other, maybe to 45, 47,000, 10,000 point pump within a matter of week. We may end up above $50,000 by the end of this year, right? That could be happening. So, hey, I'm up $48 already, am I? I'm up $48. That's not bad. That's a hour's worth of work. Let's see how it goes. All right. So we got this around the corner, right? Obviously, there's a lot of pending applications. Grayscale's ETF for ETH has been pushed back. That's no surprise. But keep in mind, it's not just Bitcoin spot ETFs we're waiting for. We're also waiting for Ethereum spot ETFs, which can drive the market even higher. Okay, so it's not just one, two. Two of the major cryptocurrencies have applications waiting, pending. And in case you're wondering why ETFs matter, well, just look at what happened after a gold ETF was introduced. Since then, about 2004, it's just been going up and up and up, and then it kind of stalled out where it is now. And people are wondering why it's not going up. Well, it's like at a 12 trillion market cap already. Bitcoin is less than 1 trillion. There's a long way to go before Bitcoin catches up to gold, okay, in terms of overall market cap. Spot Bitcoin ETF could definitely help it, but it doesn't really need it. I mean, Bitcoin doesn't really need it at all. Bitcoin will continue to move forward. Like I said, I'm not going to show too many charts proving my point, but look at this. 69% of the supply have not moved in 1 year. This is at an all-time high. Okay, part of the growing fundamentals. If you look at the last month, last year, last 3 years, last 5 years, last 7 years, all-time high right now. And you wonder why Bitcoin's price is going up. Because the supply is not moving. Long-term holders continue to hodl and continue to DCA. That's why it's that simple. And the halving event is going to make it even better. It's going to make it harder for the miners to mine, But it's going to make it better because it's decreasing the inflation rate, which makes it even harder as the demand goes upwards, right? That's why we continue to hold on. That's why Bitcoin will continue to get stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. All right. Now, outside of Bitcoin, obviously, a lot of great movers right now. You look at the altcoin market cap as broken out of this wedge, and it's going upwards. Right now, we see a lot of money flow into alts, okay? Bitcoin dominance has been coming down, and we see a staggering amount of alts going up right now. And keep in mind, this is not altcoin season yet. We're nowhere close to altcoin season. Bitcoin will still lead the way for quite some time, probably until 2025. And then the latter half of 2025, we'll probably see alts really start pumping, really get into altcoin season. But right now, it's very encouraging because I know a lot of people hold a lot of alts and they're doing very fantastic, right? It's bringing enthusiasm back into the space, although, of course, Bitcoin is still leading the way, as it should, right? The big daddy, it's moving forward. But there are a lot of altcoins that are going up today, like Avalanche. Why is Avalanche up? Well, JP Morgan is going to be utilizing Avalanche for tokenized funds. In fact, they're going to be using a subnet, and they're going to tokenize assets. That's why Avalanche is so hot. Well, I mean, besides this, they have a ton of games that's coming out that looks really nice too. But now you have real world usage from some of the biggest banks out there. That's why Avalanche is going up, right? I was going to throw my leverage at Avalanche, but hey, I'm up $96 right now. $96 on my 25x SOL for $1,000. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's see where it ends up. What else is going on with Avalanche? Well, you know, obviously with this price movement, TVL is going up. Nowhere close to the previous 10 billion in TVL. Right now, it's only sitting at 656 million. Way, way off. But if you zoom in, you could see the low point was definitely in October. Now it's flowing upwards as the market is coming back. More and more people are coming into the space, utilizing DeFi, staking once again. So these are all great things, okay? This is why alts are coming up. They're getting stronger. People are coming back. And if you look at this, 56% of all Avalanche is staked right now, okay? And you're getting about 8% staking reward. So those of you guys that are staking, not only do you get rewarded, but you're also profiting because Avalanche is on the uprise too, right? This is why so many people stake. So it's great. And not only that, recently this was reported that Coinbase itself is going to offer futures with Avalanche Solana. So this definitely helped Avalanche gain a lot of momentum too, right? So Avalanche has a lot of things going on with JP Morgan, with Coinbase, with their gaming, and with more subnets, right? They're doing very well right now in TVL going upwards. But of course, you guys know Solana has been also extremely, extremely strong. Even yesterday, it fell down to like $54, and I picked some up. I mean, it was just, there's no reason for it to go down that much. There was no reason for a drop at all yesterday, but it did, you know. But it was a great time DCA, and today it's above. It's $66 right now, okay? It went up over $10 in a single day. That's crazy. So a lot of momentum. I've shown inflows, institutional inflows into Solana, a lot of money flowing in. Their TVL is also growing. They're also making partnerships. Here's one with CFX, okay, which is bring stablecoin payments into this network. Okay, so I mean, there's a lot of companies also working with Solana at this point, and of course, getting past the FTX FUD and getting past the SBF FUD and everything else, and a network FUD, right? So far, so good. We haven't heard of any other network outages. So Solana is doing pretty darn well also. So that's it. That's it. Today's just a good day. Today's just a good day overall, right? If you're not feeling good today, that means either you're a shorter. I'm sure a lot of short liquidations happened today, or you sold out and you don't have enough crypto, right? So it's one of the two things. So today is just a good day overall. I'm feeling it. I don't know about you guys. Today's also DCA day. All right, so here's my DCA portfolio that I've been DCA into and sharing with you guys every Wednesday since sometime in 2021, I think mid-2021, right? Now, all time, only down 2%. Last week, I think it was down to like minus 5 or 6%, but you could clearly see how this is going up because Bitcoin is higher, alts are going up, right? So over a year, 2 years of DCA, finally this portfolio is about to break into the green. And this is without any fancy trading, no studying the charts, right? Not really doing anything other than staying with the schedule and DCA into some of my favorite projects that I believe have a great future. That's it. There's no guessing, right? Every Wednesday night, I just decide what to put into. I don't look at a chart. I don't look at it and see if it's overbought or oversold or something else happened. I just DCA. It's that simple, right? So next week, we're moving according to this. You know, it's going to be fantastic. I mean, just look at this. Solana up 16%, Avalanche up 20%, right? Everything up. Cosmos up 7%, Phantom, I mean, everything's up. Fetch is up 16%. Even Pepe, Polkadot, Near, everything is up. It's kind of hard to DCA. The only thing that's down in the last 24 hours is actually Polygon. So maybe Polygon. But let me see what else. Solana obviously doing really well. All-time up 145%, the strongest one here. Injective also very strong. Fetch also very strong. What is down the most in here? Cardano is still down 41%. Cardano has not moved that much. So that means I think I need to pick up some Cardano, some VeChain. VeChain is also down 21%. You know, they'll probably get their turn. And Polygon is down 12%. This is all time, not for the week. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to put a little bit more into Polygon and Cardano and VeChain. No, maybe I should just skip Polygon. No, I think I should put a little more into Polygon. No, I'm pretty heavy in Polygon already. I should maybe put a little more in Cardano and VeChain. That's what I'm going to do. All right, because they're down 40% respectively. So let's do that. $50 into Cardano. So that's 130, 495, and then let's add a little VeChain in here. It's 50. So every week. It's 2,282. Every week, $100. All right, so this week, keeping it simple, VeChain and Cardano. Okay, so next week, let's see. This portfolio is only down 2% after a year and a half, 2 years of DCAing. It's going to turn green soon, right? Like a lot of you guys. A lot of you guys have been DCAing for a long time, and you're in the green. You're rewarded now, right? That's the power of DCA. All right, that's pretty much it. Oh, by the way, at the end of the stream, you guys should all go head to CryptosRus Plus. The very first IFC video, the Influencer Fight Club video, is coming out featuring the most jacked crypto trader there is, Crypto Keeper. So we're kicking this off today, so make sure you go and check it out. Of course, Josh is still posting great, fantastic videos. He's doing a great job at Discover Crypto right now. He's killing it for them. He's killing it for me. But also, a lot of the IFC stuff is about to begin, so make sure you go tune in for that. All right, outside of that, that's it. Let's check my my Degen play, $73. It was at 90 something. It's not over yet. Okay, let's see what happens. All right, let's do some Q&A. Let's see Solana pump some more. It would be horrible if the first Degen play just ended up in liquidation. Hopefully that's not the case. I should set a stop loss on this. I mean, honestly, if you're going to be like degenning using leverage, which I don't recommend and I don't really want anyone to copy trade me, but if you are going to do it, you should really set a stop loss because these things swing really, really quickly. So like, let's do a stop loss right here, and let's do like a 50%. Yeah, let's just do that. So how much do I want to sell? I just sell all of it at 50%. Okay. All right. So if it goes down 50%, that means I'll lose $500. It'll sell out. All right. Let's see if I missed anything. Len is gifting again 1 membership. Thank you for that. And Jeff gifted 1 membership. Thank you for that. Julian, can you explain why the big players benefit from manipulating the market to liquidate longs or shorts? Well, it's obvious, right? You liquidate people, you know how that's going to move the market. If you cause a lot of short squeezes, you get a lot of shorts wrecked, what's going to happen to drive the market up? Opposite way, you liquidate a lot of longs, it drives the market down, right? So they can place a lot of orders, either down or up, right? And they can kind of anticipate it, and then they can buy in at a favorable price, right? Or if you're an exchange and you liquidate, it doesn't matter because they know traders are, you know, kind of addicted, right? They make fees no matter what. Every trade traders make, they make fees, and if they get liquidated, they'll just place more trades, right? So if the exchanges are behind it, then that's the reason why. Heath says, I took your advice, downloaded the Robinhood wallet. It works great. P.S. My wife thought it was I'm Chad. We're all Chad. What? If you're a Chad, then great. But Robinhood wallet, I haven't used it, but I hear people use it. It's a non-custodial wallet, so it's safer than keeping it on the Robinhood brokerage app. B13SR gifted. Thank you for that. I'm thinking about selling all my stocks besides Tesla and some AI plays to buy crypto. Thoughts? I can't give you financial advice like that, but Tesla has been wonky. I did see Elon say that the Cybertruck delivery event is November 30th, so that's coming up. You know, with Cybertrucks hitting the streets, maybe that'll do better, but they've been kind of up and down, can't really sustain momentum. And you know, I don't know. I don't know what their future holds, but crypto is certainly exciting. A lot more exciting right now, for sure. What are your thoughts on gas? I think it's too manipulated. People are pumping it right now. So I would stay away from it. Curtis, what do you expect your portfolio to be worth in 2024 and 2025? If you're talking about this one, I honestly think by the end of 2025, this could be at 150,000. Easy. I think a 10x could happen. Okay. So again, it could happen. It may not happen. I think most of the ones I have in here are fantastic projects. A lot of them have not moved yet in a major way. Some have. But a lot of them need to do at least a 10x just to get back to their previous high. So I think that is a real possibility by the end of 2025. Tash 22KA. Thank you for that. Will Avalanche crack Top 10 this bull run. Grady, appreciate you, man. Waiting for you to start posting your videos on CryptosRus Plus. I'd mentioned, you know, the very first one for IFC is coming out. There will be another one soon. Grady, trying to get your street interviews on here as well. Rich, CryptosRus in the moon. Thank you. Appreciate that. I don't have any thoughts on Paleo. Someone was just asking me about it. I was offered to get in on the ICO or, you know, the pre-sale or whatever. They were trying to get a lot of influencers in. And I'm like, yeah, I just skipped out. I see they are doing quite well, but I don't know. I've been approached one too many times by these like agents, and they try to get like 100 different influencers in there to try to get them all pump. And I usually don't pump. If I do get in, I'll just get in, but I never just like shill it to you guys. And most of them fail. But that one, I guess, did well. Sandeep, 5 CRU memberships being gifted. Thank you. Last time you gifted 50, which is crazy. What is green Satoshi token GST price prediction? I have no idea, but that sounds like a horrible, horrible token. Green Satoshi token. So I'm not even going to give a price prediction because it just sounds horrible. I think 40 to 50K is solid by the end of the year. That 35K support held nicely. Yeah, it did. You know, bring back the lines here. Where did I add the lines? Oops. There we go. Yeah, it bounced off of here quite nicely. So, and then, you know, we're on our way. It does look like Bitcoin wants to head back up. You know, we were so close to breaking 38. And then we just couldn't do it. But, you know, with the momentum, it could definitely go. Where am I? Still about plus 60 right here. Plus 6%. Making me feel uneasy. Solana needs to move a little more. Take a look at Rollbit. I can't. It's not open to U.S. people. It's like a gambling site, right? Like it's not open to U.S. Uh-oh. Come on, Solana. Can't be going down on my first day of Degen. Solana has been pumping a lot, though, so it might need to take a breather. Near protocol is now starting to move in the last hour. Avalanche is still high. Solana is not up here. Well, yeah, it is. And then Phantom, Cosmos, FTT near. Jay says, thanks, George. My membership has paid for itself. Glad to hear that. You should open a Degen channel. I was thinking about just doing Degen videos, but I'm just going to incorporate these, you know, make it more lively and more fun for you guys. Opinion on AMP. I'm totally off the AMP bandwagon. They have totally rebranched into something else that I don't recognize. Have you reconsidered looking at what LTO Network are doing? Not really. They're out of sight, out of mind. They deviated quite a lot. So I don't even know what they're doing. They were all business to business, and then they started going to consumers and trying to come out with like NFTs, and then I don't know what they're doing now, to be honest. And they're really, really, really far off. They have no momentum right now. Oh my God. Solana's pumping. Look at that. Hey, I'm up $200. I should just quit. I'm up 20% right now. You know, that a lot of people just make $200 in a day, and I made that in like, you know, 30 minutes. Let's see where Solana goes. Yeah, according to these, so stochastic, it may be topping out. Come on, let's push to like $70 or something. No, it's probably not gonna push $70. It probably will retrace, but we'll see. My wallet is 12K. I have IVL, Avalanche, Sol, Gala. Any idea how far it could go? I really can't tell you. Out of your list, I'm not a fan of Illuvium. I'm hoping they could do well, but I'm not a fan of them because still waiting for their game. I think their game is finally going to come out soon. And it was listed on, I think, Epic Games, their Play Store. I hope it could do well, but I kind of got off their bandwagon. GST is a powered by Solana stepping game on Coinbase. Never heard of them. Never heard of them. What do you think about Penguin? No, just go with Trader Joe. Thoughts on Litecoin? It sucks. Go with Bitcoin. Oh man, I should have took profit at $180. Can I zoom in on that? How do I zoom in? There we go. Brad is like, close it out. I'm nervous as hell. My 20K portfolio, 30% in ADA, 30% in VET, 20% in Gala, 20% in miscellaneous. That's not bad. I think, you don't have any Bitcoin. You really need Bitcoin. You need to have some stability. Noel, 1 gifted membership. Awesome. Thank you. A lot of people gifting today. Did we talk about Matic? It's behind arrest. Maybe I missed it. I did look at it. There's no real reason why it's down today. It just hasn't caught the momentum. But it will. It's done well the last month. 76%. That outperformed a lot. More than Cardano, more than XRP, more than Bitcoin and Ethereum and BNB. So it's been moving well. I want to see it move past Tron soon. I can't stand Tron. Oh, $195. I mean, this chart looks pretty good. It's bouncing off the 5. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Why is everyone saying close it, bro? Come on. We're not having fun if we close it so soon. I'm going to see this going to like 300, 400, 500. Uh-oh. Come on now. Come on, Solana. Don't disappoint me. We need to see it go back up. Could have DCA 200 into Bitcoin. Yeah, that's true. Come on, go back up. Man, I just lost $100 in like 2 minutes. Jalama's like, this is giving me anxiety to sell it. I should put more. I should open up a 50x and see what happens. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want to do too degen. I missed some super chats here. Noel asked about hold quant and not in the green. Should I sell it, get my money back, or hold? I don't know why I bought it. See, that's a problem. How do you not know why you bought it? I've always said I never liked quant. It's a B2B play. I never liked it. So you had to decide. Is it for you or not? Well, 15 minutes not topped out. I think Solana could still keep moving. Yeah, 1 hour looks pretty good. But I mean, we're keeping on a shorter time frame here. Oh, it's 200. Take profit, don't be greedy. I mean, come on, we're having some fun, right? Let's see where this goes. Solana hits like 67, 68. Come on, just need a little more momentum. Bitcoin is holding 37.5. Bitcoin does look like it wants to come down short term. Long term, it looks fine. 1 hour. 1 hour, yeah, still heading downwards. 4 hours, well, it does look like Bitcoin wants to come down. The daily looks pretty good. I usually don't do TA, guys. Okay, TA is not my thing. I just stick with the fundamentals and degen a little bit. Binance Japan about to list a Baker's Dozens coins. Okay. Do you know which ones? Do you still like Algorand as a project? Not really. Like neutral. I don't really. Come on now. Heath, welcome. George, have you ever lost your share on leverage? Yes. Yes. A lot. I don't recommend anyone to do leverage. If you're going to do leverage, be prepared to lose it all. Okay, so just play with what little amount you feel comfortable losing. That's it. Okay? I mean, I've lost yesterday's dip. Like when it was going down, I probably got liquidated like $30,000. And then I made it back today when it came back up, right? But like 30,000 is a lot to lose in a single day, no matter how rich you are, right? And I've lost more than that before. That's why I say leverage is crazy. Don't fall for leverage unless you know what you're doing. Put stop losses, you know, like don't go too crazy into it. Why is SHIB moving so slow? I just joined a live. I have no idea. SHIB actually, there's a lot of momentum with Shibarium. You're starting to hear a lot of people come aboard Shibarium. I saw something about Pacquiao coming aboard too, but you just don't see Shibarium move right now. I have no idea. I have no idea why. I think they're going to pick up eventually, but they're just not moving right now. You just got to be patient. What are your thoughts on Tensor Tau? I can't stand that name, mostly because I can't pronounce it, and it just sounds stupid. But you know, I can't really comment on it. Whew, I think I gotta close this trade. I gotta get off soon. Let's see if it can push to 200. It's getting pretty close to the plus 200 again. Come on, Solana, let's just go up a little more. Everyone just need to buy Solana right now. All right, I'm going to give it like 2 more minutes. Yeah, I think I should just close. I think I'm going to close. All right. I'm going to take my... Oh, no, now it's going up again. Oh, it looks like it wants to go. Come on, just move. Even with leverage, it's too slow. All right. Uh-oh. All right. I think I'm going to have to close this. Let's just take a profit of 13%, $133. Market close, 100%. Boom. $147. There we go. $147 within however long the stream is. I think that's pretty fun, right? That's pretty fun. Had I done Avalanche, I don't know if I would have done better because Avalanche looks like it's just about to go down. Yeah. Had I done Avalanche, I would have lost a lot. that would have probably liquidated me because Avalanche was topped out. So, but maybe it's a good time to buy right now. No, Bitcoin looks like it's going to come down, so this is probably not. Do you use limit sell or market? I just do market. All right. Ooh, Avalanche. Avalanche. Avalanche looks like it wants to turn. Hey, you know, I'm just going to throw a little in Avalanche right now, just for fun. Let's see what happens here. $1,000. 20. Let's just do 30x. Let's see what happens. Come on now. Don't disappoint me. Oh boy. Oh boy. Down $5. That thing is going to move real quick. If Avalanche moves just even 10 cents, this thing is going to move like crazy in either direction. No, that's not what I want to see. I don't want to see red. Come on, move to the other side. Oh, boy. All right, I think that's enough. I had enough for Degen for today. I'm just going to close this. Minus $30 unless it's go change in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not going to change. All right, I'm going to close that. Hey, I think I just made money. It just flipped to the green when I was going to close it. I think I actually did make money on that. I think I made like 20 or 30 bucks. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Why did I close it? I would have been up another $200. God damn. I was like 10 seconds too slow or too fast. Oh, shit. Sorry for all the swearing. Man, that would have made me like $200 had I just waited 5 seconds longer. Anyways, all right. We're going to conclude on that note. But I'm still up today, so I'm going to do this tomorrow and every single day, and we'll see where it goes. All right? So, overall, I lost my train of thought. But, you know, today's a good day. Crypto's doing good. Bitcoin's doing good. Everyone's going to do good. You know, as long as you're in the game. You're not playing with leverage, and you're not shorting. So, stay strong, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. All right? Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.